Here's Keiko, and it is July 9th. She has laid 2 other eggs. Hi, Keiko. Come here, baby. Come on now. I'll show everybody your eggs. There's all the eggs. She's taking very good care of them. There you go, baby. Is that your babies? Yeah, that's all your babies. She's got her calcium and mineral. That's her snuggly that she used to love. And her water. Keiko. Good girl. She's being a good mama. She kicked Kamali out. Did not want anything to do with Kamali. She wants to do it all on her own, or probably with my help. She's a good girl. What a good mama. Okay. So, still probably the end of July, first or second week of August. You should have some babies. Okay.
Hopefully.
Yep, hopefully.